When the unexpected hits, ordinary gear won't save the day. That's why we've gathered 15 survival gadgets built to help you stay prepared, connected, and in control when conditions turn brutal. From emergency communication to clean water and life-saving tools, these are gadgets every camper, traveler, and prepper should know about. Let's jump straight into survival mode. When the power goes out, information becomes your greatest weapon. This hand-crank emergency radio is more than a radio. It's a full emergency command center. Equipped with a massive 10,000 mAh battery, it can charge your phone, deliver NOAA weather alerts, and provide AM and FM updates when networks fail. With solar charging, USB-C charging, and hand crank backup, power is always within reach. Add in the 20 LED flashlight, 48 LED reading lamp, SOS alarm, and waterproof design, and you've got survival confidence packed into one compact device. If staying informed and powered matters to you, this gadget deserves a permanent spot in your emergency kit. Would this be your first grab during a blackout? No survival plan works without clean water, and that's exactly where the Lifestraw proves its value. This lightweight filter removes nearly all harmful bacteria, parasites, and even microplastics without needing electricity or batteries. Whether you're hiking deep trails or facing emergency conditions, you can drink directly from natural water sources with confidence. Capable of filtering thousands of liters, it delivers long-term reliability in a tool small enough to slip into your pocket. Durable, simple, and trusted worldwide. This is the kind of gear you buy before you need it, not after. Could you imagine surviving outdoors without safe drinking water? Fire can mean warmth, food, light, and survival. And this Aofar Magnesium fire starter is designed to deliver exactly that. Unlike disposable lighters that fail when wet, this waterproof fire steel creates sparks in nearly any weather condition. The magnesium rod and striker work together to ignite tinder quickly, while the included fire paracord with waxed flax helps spark flames even in heavy rain. Built for thousands of uses, this isn't a one-trip tool, it's a long-term survival essential. For campers, hunters, and outdoor adventurers, dependable fire-starting gear is never optional. Would you trust your next campfire to this setup? Cold weather can become dangerous faster than most people realize, and these Space Mylar emergency blankets are built to fight back. Designed to retain up to 90% of body heat, they provide critical warmth during emergencies, outdoor trips, or roadside situations. Lightweight and compact, they fold down small enough for backpacks, bug-out bags, or car kits without adding bulk. Their tear-resistant and reusable construction means they can serve as shelter, ground cover, or hypothermia protection when conditions turn rough. Affordable, portable, and incredibly practical, this is survival gear that earns its place fast. Where would you store these first, your car or backpack? Cell towers disappear, but emergencies don't wait. And that's why the Spot Gen 4 stands out. This satellite GPS messenger keeps communication alive far beyond normal phone coverage. With built-in SOS capability, you can send your location directly to emergency responders when every second counts. Its tracking feature lets loved ones follow your journey, creating peace of mind during remote adventures. Compact and powered through the Global Star satellite network, this device transforms isolation into connection. If your adventures take you off the grid, this isn't luxury gear, it's smart protection. How much safer would your trips feel with satellite backup on your side? Darkness can turn a simple campsite into a challenge, but the Nest-Out rugged LED lantern is built to keep your surroundings clear and comfortable. Delivering soft light from 10 to 350 lumens, this lamp creates wide, eye-friendly illumination perfect for tents, campsites, or emergency setups. The stepless dimming control lets you fine-tune brightness instantly, while the mini tripod and hanging loop add flexible placement options. Its IP44 water and dust resistance makes it ready for outdoor conditions, and the award-winning rugged design brings both style and durability. If reliable lighting matters on your adventures, this compact lantern earns serious attention. Would this lantern replace your current campsite light? When wind and rain try to ruin your fire, these waterproof torch and arc lighters fight back. This survival-ready combo gives you both a USB rechargeable dual arc lighter and a refillable butane torch, giving you flexibility for different outdoor needs. The flameless arc handles strong wind with ease, while the powerful torch reaches intense heat for thicker wood and stubborn fuel. Waterproof sealing and rugged construction make them dependable during rough conditions, and their compact size means they travel effortlessly in any pack or pocket. For campers and survival enthusiasts, dependable ignition tools are worth every inch of space. Which lighter would you reach for first, the arc or the torch? Water storage becomes a serious challenge outdoors, and this collapsible water jug solves it with smart simplicity. Holding over 2 gallons while folding down flat when empty, it saves space without sacrificing utility. The leak-proof design and reinforced seams help keep water secure, while the separated inlet and spout improve pouring and refilling with less mess. Made from odor-resistant materials, it keeps stored water fresh and ready whenever hydration matters most. Lightweight, reusable, and easy to carry, this jug fits camping trips, emergency kits, and travel setups perfectly. Could this be the hydration upgrade your survival kit has been missing? Sometimes dependable light matters more than advanced technology, and these emergency glow sticks prove exactly why. Providing bright 360-degree illumination for up to 12 hours, they require no batteries, charging, or maintenance. Their industrial-grade build is waterproof, non-toxic, and designed for emergencies ranging from power outages to camping and roadside situations. Visible from impressive distances and individually wrapped for long shelf life, they stay ready whenever darkness strikes. Simple tools often become the most reliable, and these glow sticks are a perfect example of backup lighting done right. Would you keep these for emergencies or outdoor adventures first? Every survival setup needs a dependable blade, and the Gerber Ultimate Survival Knife delivers far more than cutting power. Featuring a rugged stainless steel drop-point blade with combo edge, this full-tang tool handles carving, hunting, and campsite tasks with confidence. But the real advantage sits in the multi-function sheath, which includes a ferro rod fire starter and built-in sharpener to keep you prepared on the move. The textured grip improves control in harsh conditions, while the emergency whistle adds another layer of preparedness. Durable, versatile, and backed by Gerber reliability, this tool is built for real-world survival. Would this knife earn a place on your gear belt? Weather changes fast, but getting soaked doesn't have to ruin your plans. These Hagon Pro Rain ponchos are designed to keep you dry without adding weight or bulk to your gear. Made from tear-resistant material that's thicker than standard disposable ponchos, they stand up better to wind and rain while maintaining comfortable airflow. Their compact fold makes storage effortless inside backpacks, glove compartments, or emergency kits. With roomy coverage that even fits over clothing and gear, these ponchos are practical protection for camping, storms, and travel. Staying prepared for bad weather is always the smarter move. Would these make their way into your emergency bag? Survival gear becomes more valuable when it serves multiple purposes, and this 850-pound reflective paracord does exactly that. Built with an abrasion-resistant outer sheath and strong inner strands, it handles demanding outdoor tasks with confidence. The reflective design increases nighttime visibility, helping improve safety around campsites or trails after dark. Use it to secure tents, hang gear, bundle supplies, replace laces, or even create DIY survival accessories. Durable, UV-resistant, and easy to knot, this rope proves that one simple tool can solve countless problems outdoors. What would be your first use for this paracord? Hands-free lighting can completely change your outdoor experience, and this LHKNL headlamp makes that advantage impossible to ignore. Delivering bright LED illumination with multiple lighting modes, it lights up trails, campsites, and work areas with impressive reach. Motion sensor activation lets you switch light modes with a simple hand wave, keeping things clean and convenient when your hands are occupied. Lightweight and comfortable with an adjustable fit, it stays secure during movement while the rechargeable battery keeps the power flowing. Waterproof construction and red light options make it even more versatile for night use. Could this become your go-to lighting solution outdoors? Fire emergencies move fast, and having the right response tool nearby can make all the difference. The Prepared Hero Fire Blanket is designed to suppress small fires quickly without the mess and complexity of traditional extinguishers. Made from flame-resistant fiberglass and capable of handling extreme heat, it works especially well for kitchen, grease, and outdoor fire situations. Lightweight and easy to deploy by simply pulling the tabs, it offers instant action when seconds matter most. Best of all, it never expires, giving long-term peace of mind at home or on the road. Where would you hang this first, your kitchen or vehicle? Communication can become a lifeline when adventure turns unpredictable, and the Baofeng K5 Plus is built for exactly that purpose. Supporting up to 999 channels with NOAA weather access, this rechargeable walkie-talkie keeps you connected and informed during outdoor trips and emergency scenarios. The high-gain antenna helps improve signal strength, while USB-C and desktop charging provide flexible power options wherever you are. Features like one-click frequency copying, flashlight, FM radio, and emergency functions turn this into more than a radio. It becomes a complete communication tool. For hunters, campers, and survival enthusiasts, reliable contact matters. Could this be the communication upgrade your gear setup needs? Survival isn't about fear, it's about preparation. The right gear can turn uncertainty into confidence and give you options when conditions become unpredictable. From communication tools and emergency lighting to water filtration and fire safety, these gadgets are built to help you stay ready for whatever comes next. Which survival gadget impressed you the most, and which one would you add to your kit first? Let us know, and stay prepared for the unexpected.